What's happening, everybody? Y'all know what time it is. Yup, it's Mahlon, Tane, and today we was gonna go do some work, and just so happens, all praise to the Most High, I seen this screw on the corner of the tire. Yep. So if I was to go to any tire place, they probably would say I need to buy a new tire. Which, yeah, I'm probably gonna have to buy a new tire. But for the meantime, in between time, y'all already know we gotta make it happen. We gotta make sure we gonna be able to get around. Know what I mean? So, with that being said, this is what I actually use whenever I catch a screw or nail, you know, on any of the tires that I got, whether it be the motorcycle tire, car, truck, whatever. Know what I mean? Bought this a while back, and it's a real cool deal because it comes with everything. I forget what I paid for it, but like I said, it comes with everything. See, it's been used because I've used it a few times already. You know, especially for emergencies, it's really good. Comes with this little razor blade, so when you're ready to trim down the plug, and that's exactly what this is. This is just a plug. Know what I mean? Anyway, today I'm gonna show y'all how to use this. So let's get on with it. Alright, for starters, we're gonna go ahead and remove the screw. As you can hear the air coming out. A little bitty old screw, y'all. Got me. But it's all gravy. So you want to clean the hole out with this tool that it come with. Screw it off in there. And I'll leave it in there for now. And what I'll do is I'll get my tool ready. I'll go ahead and uncock it. Get me a plug. The way you load the plug up, just like this. You actually unscrew this tool. Go ahead and put that in there like that. Alright. Now let's get back to this. Alright. Now, that cap right here, you put it back in your little ice pick thing. And now, let's go ahead and try to get it on in there. You just want to put that in as deep as you can. You unscrew this. And you screw this back in. Don't worry about the air coming out too much. Once you got it in, you just squeeze this on down. And don't let this go all the way in. You have to draw it out, pull it out. Just grab it. And just grab it right there. And after that, you get the little razor blade that comes with the kit. Just like so. As the tire wears down, that plug will wear down with the tire. So you'll be all right. Okay. We're gonna put a little water to it to make sure it's not leaking, and add some more air. All right, now we're gonna do a water test to make sure it's not leaking. If it was leaking, it would bubble up. Okay, and since it's not, we're gonna go ahead and add some air to it. This is the hole right here, or the plug. I'm gonna check the air pressure. About 15 pounds. This tire, I believe it calls for 50. We'll go ahead and put like, no, it calls for 51. We'll go ahead and put like 50 in it. 45, 50, one of those. 47, there you go. Let's check it right quick. It's at 32. $45. I'm gonna give it 2 more pounds. That should be all right. There we go. Boom. So with that, we're gonna put the cap back on and test it again. If it bubbles up, it's leaking. And all praise to the Most High, it's not bubbling. So this is how we do it, you know, to get by, especially in case of emergency. When we catch a nail or a screw in the tire, this is just how we do it. But it works. That's the main thing. So in case of an emergency, hey, I forget the name of that little toolkit, but it works. This is it again. I believe it's called the stop and go. Anyway, just another tip so y'all know how old your tire is. You want to look for this right here. It's like an oblong shape. It says 14, 17. I know it's upside down, right? But anyway, this is the 14th week of 2017. And it's yeah, it's 2021. Now I mean, May 2021 on top of that. So I'm probably gonna need to replace this tire soon, but it's not dry rotted. It's pretty good still. Been trying to keep, good care of this tire. Rim does have a little bit of road rash, curbs. Y'all know the deal. But anyway, with all that being said, remember, you can fix it too. And on that note, till next time.